Can you borrow money from Monese? Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, praying for a little extra cash to tide you over? Maybe rent is due, or an unexpected expense popped up. And you're thinking, hey, I use Monese, maybe they can help me out with a loan. I know, it sounds like a dream come true, right? A convenient app that handles your day-to-day finances and also lends you money when you need it? Well, let's dive into the world of Monese and find out if this financial fairy tale is real. First things first, Monese isn't your traditional bank. It's a mobile-first financial platform designed to make money management easier. It's great for sending money, spending abroad, and handling your everyday finances. But is lending money part of its game plan? Let's talk about what Monese does offer. It's got features like budgeting tools, saving pots, and even overdraft facilities in some cases. But a full-blown loan product? That's a different story. So, why isn't Monese offering loans? Well, there are a few reasons. For starters, lending money involves a whole different set of regulations and risks compared to handling deposits and payments. It requires specific licenses and a different business model. Secondly, Monese's focus seems to be on providing a simple, user-friendly platform for managing your money. Adding loans might complicate things and take away from that core focus. But don't despair. Just because Monese doesn't offer loans doesn't mean you're out of options. There are plenty of other lenders out there, both traditional and online, that specialize in personal loans. Before you rush off to apply for a loan, though, it's crucial to do your homework. Compare interest rates, repayment terms, and any hidden fees. Remember, a loan is a commitment, so make sure it's the right decision for your financial situation. And while you're at it, why not take a closer look at your spending habits? Maybe there are areas where you can cut back to free up some extra cash. Budgeting tools can be a game changer in helping you gain control of your finances. So, to answer the burning question, can you borrow money from Monese? Unfortunately, not at the moment. But that doesn't mean Monese isn't a valuable tool for managing your money. Just remember to explore all your options when you need extra cash, and always borrow responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.